Hey y'all, what's up? It's your boy Jesh, a run, back again with another one. Somebody asked me to do a tutorial for Your Face by Wisp, so here we go. Yo, I'm gonna just tell you the chords straight out. Look them up. It's not that hard. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. Push yourself. You can do it. Okay? First one is E major 9. The second one is A flat minor 7. That's pretty much the whole song. So he's like, yeah. On the 7, 6, 7 of the A, starting, okay, going down. 7, 6, 8, 7. Look at me the same, but I can't. A flat minor 7, bar your finger across the 4th, and then add your ring finger on the 6th of the A. So starting at the 6 on the D string, you're gonna go, alright. Sorry about that. The 8th of the D string, you're gonna go 8 on the D, 8 on the G. You're gonna slide up to the 11th on the B and hit the 10th of the G. So 8, 8, 11, 10. Back into that E major 9. And there's I see your face. Then from this A flat minor, we're gonna go to a A major. So you just go up 1 fret, you're barring your whole finger across the 5th, putting your ring and your pinky on the 7th of the A and D, and then putting your middle finger on the 6th of the G. Going back to a D flat minor 9. That starts with your middle finger on the 4 of the D of the A, 4 of the A, your index finger on the 2nd of the D, and then your pinky and your ring finger are on the 4th of the G and the B. That's like the whole song. Okay, so that little feel right there where you're transitioning is that's 9, so 9 on the G, then it's 9 on the D, then it's 8 on the G, so 8 on the G, then it's 6 on the D, then it's 4 on the D, and then it's 6 again on the D. So like that's a transition. Going back, E major 9, get me the same, but I can't. A minor, flat minor 7. E major 9. Then I see your face. Here we go. A major, I see your face. D flat minor 9. A major. And then last time, D flat minor 9. Very simple, very easy. If you have a problem with the chords, just look them up. You can do it. Make the song, make the music. God bless you. God bless each other. Be safe. Love each other. Love yourself. All of that jazz. Chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. Chase your dreams. Wow. Love you guys. Bye.